Ever wondered how division operators work in Python? Well, let's demystify that. In Python, we have two types of division operators. The first one is the float division operator, represented by a single slash. This operator performs division and returns a floating point number. The second one is the integer or floor division operator, represented by a double slash. This operator performs division and returns the largest possible integer. In the next scene, we'll delve into how the float division operator works. The float division operator in Python is represented by a single slash. In the world of Python, this operator is a mathematical whiz. It divides the value on its left by the one on its right, returning a floating point number. For instance, when you use the float division operator with 5 and 2 like this, 5 divided by 2, Python will hand you back 2.5. It's that simple. That's the float division operator for you. Now, on to the integer division operator. The integer division operator in Python is symbolized by a double slash, slash, slash. This operator does something interesting. It takes the value on its left and divides it by the value on its right. But instead of giving you a decimal, it returns the largest possible integer. For example, if we have 5/2, Python will divide 5 by 2 to get 2.5, but it'll only return 2 because that's the largest integer that fits. And there you have it, the integer division operator. Let's recap what we've learned about division operators in Python. We've dissected two types. The float division operator, represented by a single slash, which returns a floating point number, providing a precise quotient. On the other hand, the integer division operator, denoted by double slashes, gives us the largest possible integer, essentially rounding down the quotient. These operators are fundamental in Python coding. Remember, practice makes perfect. So keep coding and experimenting with Python division operators.